Hello guys, today I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how you can add a Pomodoro timer into your OBS. Um, First, go to this link. I will provide it in the description. Then you have to download this timer.html. To do that, go to code, download it as a zip. After download it, go to download folder. You will see this zip file. Extract it. This is the extracted folder. This is the timer.html file. Then in the OBS, go to in the sources, add a new source, new browser source. Then name it as you like. I will name it as Pomodoro timer. Then I will click OK. After click OK, toggle this local file. Then browse the timer in the downloads. This folder, then timer.html. Open it. After open it, click OK. Now here is the timer. So to work with it, to start this timer, first select the Pomodoro timer, then interact button in here, interact. So you can give how many sessions that are you going to do. Then in a session, how long will you work and what will be the rest, and also you can give a long rest. To do that, just click here and toggle it. After toggle it, how this work is, after every 4 sessions you will take 15 minutes break instead of this 10-minute break. Of course you can change them also. So after you done setup, start, then you can see the time here. So I will refresh it first. In the first you will see this, so it is annoying if in your stream the people see this. So what you can do is hide this and interact and start. After start, show this, then you can see the timer. Only timer, people can only see the timers. Also you can do changes in it. To do that, go to the file, go to that file. You can edit this HTML file to, if you need to do any changes. You can open it in Visual Studio Code or something. I will open it in Visual Studio Code. So this is the HTML file. You can edit this if you need to do some changes. You can see here, you can here the label is work, and if it is rest, you will see rest. So you can change it in here. You can change it in by changing this line in the function called render. So if you change the label this to study or something, then go to OBS again, select the Pomodoro timer, then refresh it. After refresh, go to interact, then start. You will see now the label as study. So and also what else? Yeah, I think this is the tutorial. So thanks for watching.